My name is Joey. I'm a crafter, 3D printer, and a collector of model trains, and I'm going to show you how I build a variety of different... Today I'm going to show you how I film and monitor my 3D prints. The camera that I use to film / monitor my prints is the Wise Smart Home camera with night vision off of Amazon. It is really great and really cheap. I wanted a dedicated camera mount for this so I can monitor my prints at a great angle. So I went onto Thingiverse. I knew there was many designs because this is a very popular monitoring camera for 3D printing. The first camera mount I chose was designed by Stripper Pole. Model was great. The only problem I had with it is that I had to print it with support material, and when trying to remove the support material, it gave a slight crack in the middle of the print. I was almost going to reprint it, but then my one friend Robbie said to me after he saw the footage, because it attaches to the side of the printer and you see all the movement, he said, I wish you could have a model where you could attach it to the print bed of your printer so you see less movement of the print bed and it moves with the printer. What is support material, you ask? The term support material refers to the low-density structure that a 3D printer creates in order to support any overhang or undercutting sections presented in your model. It is printed in low-density format to enable to be easily removed from your model in post-processing. So I looked on Thingiverse and I found this next model by J_3_T. The position that the camera is in now is the first model I printed that is attached to the side of the printer for the camera mount. And when this was finished and I removed the support material, it was the most satisfying support material I've ever printed. It was a lot of support material, but boy, it's fun to play with. It was better in the end that I printed this, because when I took off the camera off the old mount, it broke in half, right where the crack was. Now that I had printed this, I attached it to the bed, and then decided that I wanted to get a better film quality because the lighting in the room is terrible. So I decided to make a film box out of black foam core board that I bought at the dollar store. So I bought 3 pieces, taped them together, but I had only one problem. I made the roof of the box the width of the foam core board, and because of that, I can only pre-load the filament in and not really do a multicolor print easily, because it's very hard to shove the filament in with the box on. This is what the video footage looks like while printing with this box. You'll see the full video of this in another video. Thank you for watching. And please like and subscribe.